Hondo, put the lid back on that after this bone.
Wait.
Put the lid back on the bones, okay?
Come on, let's see.
Put the lid back on the bones, Hondo.
That's small.
No, put the lid back on.
No. Here. Here.
No more, Hondo. Stop giving her the bones. You know crack kills? Move, Kaya. Thank you, Kaya. No more, Hondo. See, he's feeding all the bones. We don't have that many bones left for her. Meow. Pants. There's the dog. Did you feed Kaya the bones, Hondo? Do you think Kaya needs those bones?
Yeah.
Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Wait, you gotta wave bye-bye, Hondo.
No, it isn't.
Say bye-bye.